Welcome to another episode of Sneak Peek, where I talk to you about my latest sneaker pickups and give you a sneak peek of my life, as well as I talk about these shoes and what they mean to me. So this episode is gonna be my first unboxing of a very popular brand that seems to be losing its touch lately. Anyway, it's gonna be a fun video, and this is probably gonna be the most colorful pair I picked up this 2019. So before the year ends, let's get to it. So I have right here the first pair of the Nike Off-White Waffle racers that I ordered, and sadly this is not my size, so I just picked this one up so I can show it to you guys, and yeah, just to walk you through it. I actually picked up two more pairs, but all those are not my size. I'm just planning to hold on to them and keep it as a sort of investment for now. I know they're not going up in price as of now or as of late, but I still am pretty amused at how the sneakers turned out, so I'm gonna show you this pair and unbox it really quick. I actually overslept the day it came out, so unfortunately I didn't get it in my size. And as you all know by now, if this is not your first time to watch my video, I have a size 9 US feet for men, so that's 10.5 for women's. But this is a full size smaller than my size, so this is 9.5 for women's, or a US size 8 for men's. So I'm probably not gonna be able to rock this, but I'm gonna try to get an on shot later. So it comes in your orange box. So this is the Nike Off-White Waffle Racer. This is gonna be probably the second to the last drop for Nike and Off-White. They did come out with the Nike Off-White Dunks, which I unfortunately wasn't able to pick up. I didn't win because the Nike site crashed almost immediately, and my order didn't push through. So this is gonna be my first and probably last Nike Off-White pair that I'm gonna show you for this year at least. So this is the blue one. So this is the blue pair. So it has the black spikes. So I like this colorway the best because the spikes are not that noticeable because they are black. And as you can see in the outsole, there are shades of the blue and a little of white. Over here, it's like, you know how when you accidentally step on someone painting the floor or something, that's how it looks. It's kind of unique in a way. So as we all know, Virgil Abloh actually intentionally makes it look like a prototype or something that's unfinished. So it has this plastic covering, same as with the Vapor Street releases. They came up last month. So it has the plastic wrapper. Underneath though, you have this a suede material underneath here on the heel part, and you have the Nike there spelled out in I think it's stenciled, and then you have the nylon tongue. That's a little too tall for the shoe, as you can see if I pull it up. And then we have the address here, or the signature of White TM for trademark for Nike Waffle Racer, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, circa 2019. So that is the marking. Then we have here the extra lacing system. It's in green and hints of, I think it's purple. I'm not sure with the lighting here, but that's how it looks with the black aglets. And then you have the signature or normal shoelaces in coats for the actual laces. A yellow insole. I'm not gonna pull it out. It's in yellow, matches the paper on the box. That's pretty much the shoe. So it has the spikes on it. First impressions, it might not be your average shoe, but I know that's how it was intended to be. And over here, by the way, there's still the exposed foam on the tongue, and it says Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specifications of champion athletes throughout the world. The Nike name and swoosh stripe are your guarantee of quality, made in China. So it's made in China. So the other shoe is over here. Same thing, only with the signature zip tie. So it's in dark green with the felt rectangle over here. The tag is actually felt. It's not plastic or anything. So that's the pair. I'm gonna try it on in a bit. Maybe it will magically fit me. They say it goes a little bigger than your size. So if I'm a true size 10.5, this is a 9.5. We can meet halfway to size 10. Fudge. It actually fits. It actually fits even with my thick sock. So the temptation to keep it is real. It sucks that you don't get what you want. This is, I think, a case of I got what I didn't want. Oddly enough, it fits my feet for some reason. I think because I have really long but narrow feet. It's very, very narrow. So if I had wide feet, this won't fit me. But because I have narrow feet, it just fits a little snug, but it fits well. This is kind of a head scratcher. Comment down below if you think I should keep the pair or if I should resell. I didn't plan on keeping the pair, but I think it's kind of growing on me now that I saw that it fit. So to conclude, I just stepped out of the room and talked with Laika, and apparently she ordered the size 10 pair, and it's gonna be a little too big for her, and the 9.5 that I got is a little too snug for me. So we're switching pairs. So I'm gonna keep this one as Destiny would have had it. I now have in my possession, which I'm actually gonna keep, a Nike Off-White Waffle Racer colored blue. Tita Hype Beast! Anyway, that's it. That's my episode for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a like. Please subscribe to the channel for more sneaker content. I have a lot of sneakers coming in. I have a lot of stuff going around. Anyway, comment down below what you guys think. Anyway, goodbye for now, and thank you for checking out the channel. This is your Coach Chubby signing off. Thank you for joining me in another episode of Sneak Peek, and see you around.